Never give your partner a second chance if he or she does any of these four things. 1. He or she cheats you. 2. He or she disrespects you publicly. 3. He or she uses your vulnerabilities against you. And 4. He or she lies. If he or she does any of those, separate yourself immediately. Remember, always choose a partner who calls you after an argument, just to make sure you're okay. Not someone who leaves you alone with your thoughts while you cry. Choose a partner who stays when things get hard. Choose someone who wants to understand you, not defeat you. Choose a partner who can pause in the middle of a fight, hug you and say sorry, because your tears matter more to them than their pride. Remember, a woman doesn't stop loving a man in one day. She slowly lets go after feeling unseen, unheard, and unimportant for far too long. Most of the time she keeps smiling, keeps trying, and keeps hoping things will change. But when her heart gets tired of waiting, she quietly starts choosing herself. What's the best relationship advice you'll ever hear? Make a list of everything you want in a partner. Someone loyal, someone kind, someone who communicates, stays, and chooses you even when things get hard. Spend a moment looking at that list, and then be that list. The right relationship feels different. You don't constantly worry. You don't overthink every message. You don't fear losing them every day. You finally feel safe. Choose someone whose presence feels like peace, not anxiety. The most dangerous anger doesn't come from the loudest person in the room. It comes from someone with a good heart. They stay quiet, they stay calm, they forgive again and again, until one day they can't anymore. So don't push a good person too far, because when they finally break, there's no going back. A wise man once said, "If you look at her and you don't feel anything, then she is not yours to continue. She's another man's blessing." Be real about how you feel, and stop wasting her time. We all need to stop messing with other people's soulmates. Remember, if someone does this, they're in love with you. They just won't say it. Someone who secretly loves you, notices the little things about you, remembers what matters to you, and finds reasons to stay close even when they don't have to. They get uncomfortable when you mention other people. Their actions? They're screaming what their mouth is afraid to say. Love doesn't hide forever. Pay attention, or you'll miss it. Ever wonder why some people suddenly start ignoring you? The worst thing isn't being alone. It's being with people who make you feel alone. Sometimes people ignore you because you've become too available, too predictable, or no longer serve their priorities. Never beg for attention. The people who value you will never make you compete for their time. Here's the painful truth about boundaries. The moment you stop accepting disrespect, they say you've changed. But you didn't change. You just stopped sacrificing your peace for their comfort. Remember, those who truly love you will respect your boundaries. The strongest relationships don't fear boundaries. They protect them, not challenge them. Do you know what hurts more than being lied to? Being made to feel like your pain doesn't matter. Emotional validation isn't saying, "You're right." It's saying, "I see you're hurt and you don't have to carry it alone." Because people can survive almost anything, except feeling invisible to the person they love. The most powerful relationships aren't the ones where two broken people try to complete each other. They're the ones where two whole people choose each other every single day. Real love doesn't take away your identity. It gives you the freedom to become more of who you truly are, while knowing you'll still be loved. The right person won't become your missing piece. They'll become the safe place where your best self can finally flourish. To the partner who ruined the peace of a good person while acting like you did nothing wrong, remember this: the table always turns. The pain you cause will come back to you even worse. Karma keeps every receipt. Keep faking your personality and playing the victim in situations you created, and eventually you'll feel exactly what you put out. Love without respect becomes pain. Respect without love becomes distance. But when someone gives you both, you've found something most people spend a lifetime searching for. Loyalty isn't staying because you have no options. Loyalty is having every opportunity to leave and still choosing the same person every single day. What if I told you, most lies aren't told to deceive you, they're told to protect someone's fear. People don't always lie to fool you. They lie to avoid rejection or hide their deepest fears. And sometimes the biggest lie isn't "I don't love you," it's "I'm fine," spoken by someone who's quietly breaking inside. Every lie reveals a fear the truth couldn't hide. The truth may hurt for a moment, but a lie can steal your peace for a lifetime. Ever notice the smartest person in the room usually says the least? Smart people know that listening teaches more than talking. They don't waste energy proving they're right. They observe, learn, and choose their words carefully, because silence often reveals what noise hides. The loudest voice seeks attention. The quietest mind often holds the greatest wisdom. The scariest relationship isn't the one that breaks your heart. It's the one that slowly convinces you that you're the problem. Toxic relationships rarely begin with pain. They begin with control disguised as love, criticism disguised as honesty, and guilt disguised as care. Little by little, you lose your confidence, your voice, and eventually yourself. The day you stop begging for love that hurts is the day you finally start healing. If this felt personal, it was meant to. Share it with someone who needs this today. Follow this page. I say what people feel but leave unsaid.